All right, now we're gonna end with the fun one. Where do you think like all this plays out? If you had to predict into the future, quite a ways, like let's say like 30 years in the future, where how do you think it all plays out? Does AI eventually get that good that it replaces most writers? Are we all on the beach with our universal basic income, or are there some
Maybe.
problems that just AI is not meant to solve, or there's some sort of art to this that isn't a science that can be distilled?
I'm
What do you
I'm
think?
going to take an optimistic road on that one, and I think that there are creative and judgment and um, understanding of the customer that
Hmm.
AI really won't be able to get to. Now, of course, I'm not an AI developer, so maybe it is already there, but I really believe that AI is never going to know whether the message lands, right? AI
Hmm.
is never going to know whether the campaign was successful. It takes us to apply our good judgment to both the metrics and the the measurement. And I don't know, like you could feed AI a ton of stuff and it could tell you metric wise whether something landed, but it's not going to tell you whether your customer understands your message better now than they did before. That's still human judgment. And creativity, yeah, we can use AI to kind of break through the blank page and that sort of thing, but we can't let it make those decisions. Like, yeah, you can give me a ton of decisions, give me a ton of options, but it's still got to be a human making those decisions. So I don't know. Given how far it's come in the last 5 years, I'm probably being overly optimistic. But I think we're always going to have a place as writers, as creatives in general, that there's going to become more and more pushback against it. I think too,
Yeah.
and we need to, those of us who are using it and are kind of pro AI, but not pro outsourcing everything,
Right.
those of us who are sitting here in the middle really have a responsibility to make sure that it does stay human led, because could it take over? Yeah, that's why it's always good to say please and thank you when you're working with your AI agent. But
Yeah, I think
I
so
think they'll
too.
always have a place.